everything you're doing, I mean, obviously your family comes first and foremost, right? And I would think that if your battery was like a power plant, you're the battery inside that power plant. So you're protecting your family, but ideally, when you're protecting yourself on a day-to-day basis, what kind of routines do you have in the morning per se when you wake up? It kind of helps you get ready for your day.
Yeah, I don't, right? That's the thing. People ask me that all the time. I wish I did, right? I started looking at all these guys, you know, Russell Simmons comes to mind. I mean, there's a whole bunch of people that meditate, right? It's a big part of their lives, right? And if you look around, there's a lot of really successful, famous people, but forget famous, they're successful, right? And
Hmm.
they're successful because they meditate. And so I try that for a minute, and that doesn't work, right? For me, it's about creativity, right? It's about feeding that creative side. Do I do it in the morning? Not necessarily. Do I make things constantly I still make things constantly, right? I'm out there in the backyard last night cutting down a table with a grinder and welding it, taking 4 inches out of the top because I told a friend that I'd make him an outdoor dining table, I don't know, a couple months ago, right? And so here I am, I'm grinding, I'm cutting, I'm welding, I'm still out there doing that stuff. And while I was, cursing his name last night, it is one of those things that keeps me going. It's that creativity. And so while it's not in the morning, my art is making stuff.
Hmm.
And I still do that, on a pretty much daily basis, on a really regular basis. And if I'm not doing the work, I'm thinking about the work. It's definitely a part of my day.